Hello and welcome to Taik18. I'm Mohammed Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about the data factory. So what it is and why you need to use that and what are its functionality as an overview picture so that you can get clarity on that. Before going into that in detail, if you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. I'm making this essential series of Fabric so that you can get aware of the basic concept of Fabric, and then we'll go further down in depth each and every step. If you haven't seen that, I will add the playlist in the description or on the link. Please go and check out that as well. So I have shared you the screen. Before going into that in detail about what is Data Factory, just we'll have a little bit look into the Microsoft Fabric. So Microsoft Fabric is an end-to-end analytics platform that provides a single integrated environment for data professionals and business to collaborate on the data projects. So Fabric provides a set of integrated services that enables you to ingest the data, store the data, process the data, and analyze the data in a single environment. So that's a beautiful thing. Microsoft Fabric provides the tools for both citizens as well as the data professionals and integrate with the tools of business they need to work on. So Fabric actually combines all these things, which is data factory, data engineering, data warehouse, data science, data analytics, and Power BI. So all of them stored in a single unified platform, which is one lake, which is for the OneDrive for data, and also is governed by the purview. Then what is data factory? Data factory is the best of both the worlds from Power Query as well as Azure Data Factory. So it combines both the functionality of Data Factory and Power Query. So you will think, what are those functionality, right? Power Query, you are aware of that. You can get the data and transform. There are 300 plus transformations available. In the UI itself, you can make use of that. If you want in detail, in depth as well as you can also make use of that in language. So Data Factory is mainly used for the pipeline activity. You can orchestrate our data and everything we can do it on the Data Factory. So that we can do it here. The main purpose is the data integration. So we can do these 3 steps, which is ingest the data, transform the data, and orchestrate the data. So what does it mean actually? So ingest the data is nothing but you can use the options in Data Factory, either copy activity, or we can use data flow gen 2 so that we can get the data in Power Query and do the transformation whatever we need using Power Query, as well as we can make use of Azure Spark. So the benefit of using Fabric is we have a multiple languages. So based on your skill set available on your organization, you can make use of this functionality. So I'm a SQL person, so I prefer to go with either Power Query or with a SQL. I can make use of SQL, and is a Spark SQL, or I can make use of the Spark notebook if I have knowledge on Python. So that's a beautiful thing. I can make use of any technology which I have knowledge on. And finally, we can orchestrate the data pipelines, the workflows. Let's say, for example, you are copying a data and then you are doing the transformations in Power Query, and then you are refreshing the data set, or if you want to send an email that this has been processed is completed. So everything can be done using this pipeline by adding those workflows. So this is a short description about the data flow, but apart from that, not only this, apart from this, there are other features as well. So it provides a low-code, AI-enabled preparation and transformation experience at petabyte scale transformation. Hundreds of connectors with hybrid, we can use for Power Query and multi-cloud connectivity. It also provides backed by purview governance and its features and the service feature enterprise scale, and we can also make use of CI/CD applications for our application lifecycle management, and also we can monitor all the activities in the monitoring hub. So these are the functionality about the Data Factory. So if you got a clear overview on the Data Factory, please let me know in the comment section below. I will try to make a series of videos on that as well, and let me know about what feature you want first to know about it. So if you like this video, just hit the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed it, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. But make sure to turn on the notification on our devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.